Oh my god, that looks so good. Finally, I'm so excited right now. I'm so extremely happy and excited right now because it's been almost 2 weeks since I've been able to actually drive my car or make videos or do anything. Man, that was annoying. But anyways, what is up, bros? As you can see, I'm in my dad's minivan right now. I already took everything out and I put the seats down, and we're finally gonna go ahead and pick up the bumpers. Holy crap, I never thought this day would come. I was like, just keep the bumpers, I don't really care anymore. I was told that they did a really good job, so I'm pretty excited to see them. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm putting the bumpers in the car or when I'm heading home. And as you bros can see back there, we got them Nismo bumpers. They turned out super nice, wow. And then I also have to get the wing installed. It's gonna turn out amazing. Oh gosh, I cannot wait to get this car done. Well, quote unquote done, because I still have a bunch of things to do to it. And just like that, we're home. The color's the same. This turned out so good. And what I love is that they actually did the line right here as if it were like the Nismo, but gray, and that looks super sick. I'm most likely gonna install them later on because now I'm kind of busy. And I also have to install the light that goes in the back and something else. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when I'm installing them. Oh my god, gotta get the keys.
What?
So you're getting electrical tape and double-sided tape?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, bye. So I actually went ahead and sent Alex over to AutoZone to get me electrical tape for the light that we're installing in the back, and double-sided tape because I'm gonna show you guys something that happened to me. So usually the rear bumper, I don't know if you guys can hear, but usually the rear bumper has a bracket in the back for this light right here. And obviously, as smart as I am, I sent it to the guy by accident. So now while he's over there at AutoZone, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get started on installing the front bumper. And I'm so tired, bros. Let's go ahead and get started on that. I think I just messed up the recording that I was doing while putting them on, but look how nice this looks, bros. Oh, that's so nice. My goodness. Fender linings, as you can see, aren't too perfect, but that's fine. I already knew that when buying it. Oh my god, look at that. Yeah, I'm so happy. Finally, bros, finally the Z is looking nice again. And it's not even done yet. Oh, there's Alex. Ah, we still gotta get the rear. Okay. We still gotta get the rear and put on the tire letterings. I'm so happy right now. I also ended up buying a whole bunch of these, so I'm gonna go ahead and put those in right now. It was like $4. So we just got the front bumper all set up. The fitment is good. All the new clippings, the bolts down there. Not all of them fit, but we put like 3 or 4 bolts on there. Now here's the good part, bros. I don't know if you guys remember what I said last video, but I sort of threw everything back there. And since I don't have a rear bumper, as you can see, I can't open the trunk, so yeah, this pretty much sucks. I think I'm just gonna start taking everything out from here, and yeah, guys, wish me luck. I'm trying really hard to do this fast. Bro, so thank God we were able to open the trunk. What we did was, I just looked for this little piece right here, and then we just connected the cable to those right there, and then we pressed the button and the trunk opened. So thank God, actually, that was easier than I thought. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the tail lights, and I also have to take out the bolt and the cables because, as you guys saw, I bought a IJDM toy rear fog light, which turns on and does a lot of things. So as you guys can see right here, this is what I was talking about, is the IJDM toy rear fog light. If you have a 370, you know that you have like a little light down there that doesn't really light up. Well, you can buy an aftermarket one, which is this one, and it does light up. I wish I could make a whole video on this and how to install and all that, but I have to install it right now. And I can't really make 2 videos when I'm making one at the same time. So this is a special treat for you bros. You're gonna get 2 videos in one, I guess. And if you're wondering, it was around 80 bucks or so. While I'm waiting for Alex to go home and get like a cable cut or something to trim the cable, because I don't have one here, let me just show you guys another look on the bumpers. That looks super nice. I'll have to get the light right here though. But still, it looks super nice. And the fitment is on point. The car looks definitely 100 times better. Here we have the diagram and how to do it and all that, but they don't explain it too good, so I'm kind of scared. Even though we have the diagram and we know where the cables go, I'm still kind of scared in cutting them, and I don't know. So we figured it out. It was pretty simple. You just gotta connect the cables that I showed you guys, the whole, like the red with the green and all that. And then I think we have to get it this white to the reverse light over here. So we gotta take off the tape and then put new tape in, I guess. But yeah, it works really nice. It's pretty easy. Everything is working fine, the rear one and the brake light. So now we're just going ahead and putting on electrical tape. And we gotta put on the 3mm tape on the light, and then so we can tape it to the bumper. Because I told you guys, I accidentally sent the guy the bracket, but that's fine. I'll just tape it for now and then later on buy the bracket, which is like 50 bucks or so. Headlights in. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take everything out of the trunk and then just start setting everything back to normal. So right now we're pretty much ready to install the rear bumper. Let me go over here and show you guys. As you can see right there, this is the light, and what I said I was gonna do was we put 3mm double-sided tape here, and it's gonna go taped down there on those lines right there. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't, it's gonna suck, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. I mean, it should hold it pretty nice. Just installed the rear. Are you guys ready for this? Bam. Woo. That looks super nice. Super. I'm really excited about how it turned out. I'm gonna hand out the camera to Alex and show them how the light looks. Just film down there. That's the brake light. Finally, bros, we finished. Dang, it turned out so clean. Absolutely love how this car looks now. And the problem that I thought would happen, my exhaust look in, as you can see from the side, they look in a little bit too small. So right now I obviously can't because I spent so much money on this conversion, but down the future I definitely have to go to like a shop or something. Maybe I'll buy like the Nismo tips and just weld them onto these ones. I don't know, but as you can hear my dad and all that screaming, I definitely do need some side skirts though. And here we got the back. And if you're wondering, Danny, when are you gonna put on? If you're wondering, Danny, when are you gonna put on the wing? Guys, I'm really trying to figure out if I'm gonna do it myself and Alex gonna help me, or if I should take it to a shop. I really don't know. I definitely can't do it today because this took us like 3 hours to do. So, but definitely soon I'll do the wing, I promise. It should be done by next week, hopefully, fingers crossed. I'm gonna get everything cleaned up now, then we're gonna go ahead and go for a run. Also, I almost forgot, I need to paint these logos on black. I have the Nissan logo and the 370Z logo for the rear. I think I'm gonna go ahead and paint those black when I'm done showering and everything. So pretty much I'm already done with everything. The car looks absolutely amazing. I mean, look at this, bros. Oh my god, that looks so good. I'm so happy, I'm so happy. And I'm probably gonna also go ahead and put on the Z logo that's in carbon fiber. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick cold start, then I'm gonna go and have fun with the car for a little bit, and I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. What is up, bros? So right now that I'm filming this, it's currently like 2 days after I finish up the bumpers, and look how nice this car looks. Dang. You can see right here, this is the Z logo that I said I bought a long time ago, and it has like the carbon fiber trim around it. Super nice. I'm super happy with how it's turning out, bros. Holy crap. It looks so much wider and bigger than it was. And here we have the rear, which also looks absolutely insane. With those little lines that go through there. They did such a good job. Alright, bro, so I'm probably just gonna end up ending the video right now. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think of the car. Honestly, in my opinion, it looks super clean. I just gotta get the little things like the lights and the fender liners, and comment below what should be the next mod for the car. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.